Here's a delicious recipe for egg curry that's flavorful and easy to make. Ingredients. For the eggs: 4 to 6 large eggs, water for boiling, salt for boiling for the curry, 2 tablespoons oil, vegetable or coconut oil, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 onion, finely chopped, 2 to 3 garlic cloves, minced 1-inch piece ginger, minced 2 to 3 green chilies, slit, adjust to taste, 2 tomatoes, pureed or chopped, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, adjust to taste, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala salt to taste, half a cup coconut milk. Optional for creaminess, fresh cilantro chopped. For garnish instructions. Boil the eggs. Place the eggs in a pot and cover with water. Add a pinch of salt. Bring to a boil, then cover and reduce heat. Simmer for 9 to 12 minutes. Remove from heat and place the eggs in cold water. Once cooled, peel and set aside. Prepare the curry. In a large pan, heat the oil over medium heat. Add cumin seeds and let them sizzle. Add the chopped onion and sauté until golden brown. Stir in the minced garlic, ginger, and green chilies. Sauté for a minute until fragrant. Add spices and tomatoes. Add the tomato puree and cook until the oil starts to separate. Stir in turmeric, red chili powder, coriander powder, and salt. Cook for a few minutes. Combine, gently add the boiled eggs to the curry. If using, pour in the coconut milk and stir to combine. Let it simmer for 5 to 10 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld. Adjust salt and spices to taste. Garnish and serve. Sprinkle garam masala on top and garnish with fresh cilantro. Serve hot with rice, naan or roti. Enjoy your homemade egg curry.